Welcome to Little House in Southwoods. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy, sweet, crunchy, nutty granola. Combine 2 cups of oats, 1/2 cup of pecans, 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, mix together. Combine 1/2 cup of honey with 1/3 cup of cooking oil. Stir together. Pour over the oat mixture. Stir well. Spread the mixture evenly in a greased baking sheet. Bake in a 300-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until lightly browned. Immediately turn out onto a large piece of foil. Allow it to cool. Top your favorite fruit and yogurt with this easy, sweet, crunchy, nutty granola.